Hey everyone, so today we're diving into one of the most powerful features in BAIO, the CRM and sales pipeline system. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your leads, move them through your sales pipelines, and close more deals. So let's start. So first, let's access the CRM. So from your main dashboard, click on Contacts in the left sidebar. So this is your CRM hub where all your leads and customers lives. Okay. So let's click that one. So here you can see all your contacts in one place. So notice the different columns. You have the contact name, the phone, email created, where it was created, last activity, tags, and so on and so forth. So you can filter by tags, date added, or pipeline status using these filters at the top. So you can click this one and then you can filter this out. For example, you want to create a smart list, you can click on advanced filters. And then, for example, you want to create a smart list through the tag. You can type in here tag and then click the tag. The tag is, and then you can choose whatever tags you wanted to segregate or the contacts that has tags that you wanted to segregate and then hit apply. All right. Then after that, when you click on any contacts, show here, for example, this one. When you click on any contact, you get their complete profile. All right. On the left, this is where you see all the contact details. So you will see the first name, last name, email, the phone number, if they have a phone numbers, what type of contact is this person, and then their business names, street address, and so on and so forth. So, for example, you wanted to add more details on your contact details or contact files. You can do so by adding a custom field, and you can choose in which folders if you wanted to add those fields. All right. And then you can also see the thread of the conversation here. So all the conversations that you will have inside a BAIO account, you will see all of here. Even though when you are using calls or when you're doing calls inside BAIO account, you can also see here the recordings that you have with your clients. So all of the threads will be here. And then on this side, what you will see is the opportunities that they're in, the companies that they're associated with. And here you can see the tasks. You can add a task here for team members or for yourself. Once you're a user, you can just need to create title, the description, and set it out to you whenever you want or whenever you need. Right? And then aside from tasks, you can also put notes in here, whatever notes that you might need to do or put in this account. And then you can also see the appointments here. If they have an appointment or if you want them to book an appointment, you can also do so. And all the documents that you've wanted to save for this specific contact, you can also save documents in here. And then you can also see the activity that they're doing. For example, if they clicked on the trigger links or the links that you're given to them, for example, the funnels, the websites, if they submitted a form using BAIO account, so you will see everything in here. So that's what we have for the contact details. So now let's talk about for sales pipelines. So for sales pipelines, we need to go to the opportunities tab. All right. So a pipeline is basically your sales process visualized. So each column represents a stage to your lead goes through. So from new lead to closed one or sale. So to customize your pipeline, so this is a created pipeline. So to customize your pipeline or to create a new pipeline, you can click on this pipeline button here. And then in here, you will see all the pipelines that you have on your account. And if you want to create new one, you just need to click the create pipeline blue button here. So here you can create a new pipeline, let's say test pipeline, and then there is auto-populated stages here, but you can definitely change this one according to your stages or to your process that you want to track. So for example, here I will not create a new lead. I will create initial email sent. For example, this is a outreach. Okay. And then once the email sent, if the client responds, I want it to track that one as well, so that if I have to, to answer them back and then book appointment and then close. So let's say we have these stages. Let's wait for this to be created. All right. So once you click the opportunities, for you to be able to see the pipelines that you just created, you just need to click the drop down on the marketing pipeline here, and then look for the pipeline that you created. So I named it test pipeline outreach. So it will be here. So this is the pipeline that you have. All right. And then let's go back to the marketing pipeline that we had earlier. And then, so for example, you might have one pipeline for coaching services and another for consulting. You can create multiple pipelines as much as you want. All right. So now, for us to be able to, for each stage, you can set the probability of closing and assign automation triggers. So for instance, when someone moves to, for example, from new lead to hot lead, then you can send them a follow-up email or the proposal that you wanted to check. All right. So now let's click on this one. Let's add an opportunity. So when you click this one, this is what you will see. So you can you can put on the primary phone number. You can also create an opportunity name. It's up to you if you want to use their company name or the contact person's name. You can put here, you can choose the pipeline, you can choose the stage and the status. You can also create the opportunity value. So this is crucial for tracking your revenue forecast in the future, or in the dashboard. We can also do that. So you can link this opportunity to contact or create a new one. So this connects to deal to the customer's full history. So here you can also add notes. You can also add tasks, payments, and associated objects. So that is how it looks like. So basically for the pipeline, you can, on managing your pipeline, you can simply drag and drop cards between stages as your deals process. So this is the pipeline or the cards that you have. So for example, this one, I want to move it as a hot lead, then it will automatically go to the hot lead. But I have some tips to supercharge your pipeline. So you can set up automation workflows when a deal reaches closed one, or you can automatically send a welcome email and create onboarding tasks. And you can also automate all the movements or interactions of your leads to each stages that you have. So you can definitely do that. And the next one, you have to check your pipeline analytics regularly, see your conversion rates between stages, average deal cycle time, and projected revenue. So this data helps you identify bottlenecks. And then tip number 3, use bulk actions to select multiple opportunities and update them all at once. Change stage, assign on to team members, or add tags. So it will be easy for you to determine which clients are which, right? And then number 4, connect your CRM to your calendar. So when the lead books an appointment through BAIO account, opportunities are automatically created in your pipeline. All right. So, and there you have it. You know now how to use the CRM and sales pipeline in BAIO account to organize your leads and close more deals. The key is consistency, update your pipeline daily, and you'll always know exactly where your business stands. All right. So that's it for today. Thanks.